In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step method to connect your Galaxy Watch or Samsung Health app to Strava. The process is similar across all the Galaxy Watches, be it 6, 7, 8 or Ultra. For the demonstration, I'm using the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. So to connect your Galaxy Watch to Strava, first you have to open the Health app on your connected smartphone. Go to My Page section, tap on the three dots in the top right and open Settings. Just scroll down to find the Service section and open it. There you will see Strava. Just enable the toggle button and you will be redirected to the Strava login page. Accept the website cookies and now you just have to log in using the Strava account. In my case, it's my email ID. After signing in, just tap on the Authorize button to allow Samsung Health to connect with Strava. And that's it. Now Samsung Health is connected with your Strava account. For seamless data syncing, you need to ensure that you have allowed all necessary permissions to both apps. For this, go to Settings on your phone and open the App section. Open Strava from there. Tap on Permissions and give it permission to access physical data. Open the Health app and make sure it also has access to physical activity data. I recorded a short walking activity after connecting Strava with Samsung Health. And here you can see it has synced activity from Samsung Health. There is some discrepancy in the sync data. As you can see, the distance, time, and heart rate are not exactly the same as the Galaxy Watch. From now on, all the activity that you will track from your Galaxy Watch will be synced with your Strava account. However, one thing to note is that Strava will only sync the activities that you track with your Galaxy Watch after it's connected to Samsung Health. It won't sync activity that you have tracked using your Galaxy Watch before connecting with Strava. But there's a way to import all your previous activity and workout data from your Galaxy Watch to Strava. To learn how to do that, you can watch this detailed video. That's it for this one. If you found this video informative, then leave a like button and subscribe to Wearholic for more wearable content. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.